Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So today I get to take you guys along to my new job. I'm pretty excited about it. So I'm starting down at Rex's Auto Body in Blackfoot as a metal fabricator. You know, I worked there a couple of days this last week to kind of get things felt out, and yeah, it's a blast. So, you know, the project that we're going to be working on today is a 1956 MGA, and I know it's not a Ford, but it's got some really cool curves and a lot of metal fabrication to be done on it. This last week I spent a couple of days pulling the old rockers off, cutting and replacing a bunch of, rusted out sheet metal, and also built a new rocker panel because the aftermarket one just didn't fit. So, I'll kind of show you guys that today, and we'll actually be building another rocker panel using the same template, just reversing it and doing it on the other side. So that's pretty exciting. Anyway, can't wait to share it with you guys. So we spent the other day trying to make this work. Just an aftermarket piece of sheet metal, and obviously it just was going to look like garbage. So ended up making a template out of cardboard and making a whole new rocker. So pretty happy with that. so that fit in there real nice. I'm gonna have to do a patch panel back here, but really happy with the way that rocker came together. Body gap's good. So yeah. Now I'm gonna take some time and work on TIG welding. Pretty excited about it. Haven't done a ton of it, but if I can get that figured out, it's gonna be, you know, a lot better as far as metal, you know, finishing and things like that's concerned. But I'm gonna show you the inside of this rocker panel as well. So obviously you're gonna see that I, you know, need to put a little extra metal in here. Had to slice that open so that gap would fit right. But overall, I'm really happy with the way this is coming together. Like I said, now it's time to play with the TIG welder. Well, I would call that a successful day at the shop. You know, got some progress made on the MG, got that rocker temporarily installed. You know, obviously I have to do some more panel fitment, things like that. I need to rework the rear fender and the front fender before we final weld everything in, but you know, I'm really happy with the way that's coming along. You know, obviously hand making a panel is extremely satisfying. Getting the opportunity to do a little bit of welding, well, TIG welding that is, and you know, trying to learn a new skill. It's something I've never done before, and you know, obviously it's going to take a lot of time and, you know, on my part to really get that dialed in, but I have time, so I'm looking forward to picking that up. You guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos. If you enjoyed them, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.